The TWF today held a public gathering at Tiyari Mairang village to celebrate a landmark legal victory for the indigenous people of Tripura. The event was organized to express gratitude to the Royal Scion, Bubagra Pradyot Manikya Debbarma, following the Supreme Court's favorable verdict regarding the long-pending village committee elections. The gathering saw a strong presence of the TWF central leadership who travelled to the northern Bazar Malbasa ADC constituency to brief the local population on the significance of the court's decision. Key leaders in attendance included Gita Debbarma, Pavitra Bhakti Jamatia and Ati Jamatia.
Chini kaisa balaikan nangkumani balaikan khatungmani salmi approach the Supreme Court ni rai rezakmano to yi chini Bubagra Pradyot Manikya Debbarma kuti pranam te borom khayo to mani ke bani asakhe hamjakmang boni dofani bangi simia kobang ma borok hisabe boje asok wise borok asok je bukha kwar asakhe bani waso moro belaki unique leadership mani bagi dine borno jang bises kai sini tipra mothane ngai tipra sangai jang bonam belaki na hambai maro tini jang aro sopai mani khanga khena omongkha dalak bisi Buti district ni bisingo kaisa 25 nutun bazar malbasa kalaiwo abo chini thangnai bo kaplai no oron no chini madam em doli boni constituency kalaiwo jeng orno saiman khajet nai phaimani bubagra ni dagi mabaina jeng orno phaija bosawa election ni sakango chini takute bukuk somna ni romalai boro bai kisa koglam salai de hojamani bai jeng phaimalai phaimani borok belakena mazbut Hangai je election bor pasang mani chai tei bo 10 double khai bor pasang nai abo bor sumna kogrukha abani bagai chini tei takute bukuk song sarak Tripura joni tabo bahainang confusion ngi changnai national party baina changma thangjak nai changnai ang takute bukuk sone thane obono no sanani musu tine hai salo basawi Tripura ni CM Dr. Manik Saha bahai ke lecture roi tong niro kahang ke khoj kokro khnadi boni rani bus kangono Nini boro rono boli renani nini next generation of boli renani bagai barang ke bo khula bo saitamani abani bagai takute bukuk song tung tabo on the babe national party no logarane tung tabo jaraya tung tabo minority microscopy ngai thaka chini hani bosaro tin bagai ek bak sa tuknai sensa jodi khai rakha abani bagai jeng tabok su jaro bubagra hai leader namane belakhana kapal kotor jara tabo udrum ngai tabo bahai CPM no taba congress no taba BJP khai kamai ro national party chungna mothangi manliya nai jeng asi bosar kato tei jeng jeta siwi tamane abono please nirang request khayo jeng tabo khansan rei chin mathai sikai mai nagrana bon pore jeng tama party khainai jeng decide khainai sine bubagra decide khainai Aban bagai te angko kebang lo rulia joto na belai kena hambai orne joto ane sobani ane takute bukung sama belai kena hambai marwo srasani bisingo baro salsani salai mumbai joto na ekotak lai baro turun or bhai chemai basa roge mani bagai chen orne takute bukung sam joto warriors joto fighters no belai kena hambai roi ane kongoru masaka hai bubagra no belai kena hambai khulungta
Reported by Biplov from Udaipur, Chini Khorang.